this episode of BOBscaping, we're going to trim this Weeping Norway Spruce. It's next to this sidewalk here, and as you can see, some of the branches are getting out over the walk. So what you want to do is always trim to a side branch. In this case, you could be looking at like this one, trim it close, and then this side branch will take over the growth. This one's starting to get way out there. We could shorten it up to this one that's going up, which will eventually lay over. This looks like one of the biggest offenders here. This one that's extending downward. So we're going to come, we could cut it here. I think we'll go on back up to this area where it looks like it was cut once before. Trim that there. This one, we're going to go back to here. We'll clean that cut up a little bit. And that branch there will take over the growth. And then on this one here, we're going to come back in to here and trim that. And then this one's sticking way out over. So we will go back to right there. Okay, so this one will take it over. We want to shorten that up a little to a side branch. Hand pruners would probably work better for that. And this guy here, we'll just come back to this little side branch. And by doing that selective sort of pruning, the evergreen keeps a more natural sort of a look to it. This one will shorten up here like that. This one we can come in a little further on it. So you get the idea. So it's actually creating space here. At the same time, we're keeping a natural look to this big weeper, which has probably been in 30 years. It's actually wider than it is tall, and it makes nice screening, and it's very ornamental to look at. I'll just knock a couple others off here real quick, and we'll be done. All right, for this episode of BOBscaping, this is Bob.